Hey guys, welcome to the channel as always. Alright, we hit 100% all the way back there. Boom, done. So now we're just gonna wait for it to, I guess I'll end it. This will be part 3 but to this video series, but basically the OS is reinstalled. I'm waiting for the confirmation that it's done. I'll hit OK, I'll pull the USB stick out, I'll then boot it up, and we'll see what it looks like. And I have a couple of these machines I gotta do, so I'll pull the next one in and I'll be doing the same procedures. But I hope this will help somebody out, anybody that's looking to rebuild one of these HP Thinclient units. They're nice, they're compact, small, portable, you can slide them almost anywhere, bookshelf, in a corner somewhere, it doesn't really matter. And so that's where it's saying it's done. I'm gonna go down here, pull that guy out, press any key, come on, press any key, there we go. Select image, no, so just remember to do the image write mode and then exit. So that's what we're gonna do. Please remove USB key. We've already done that. Put my little USB key back. Oh yeah. Alright. My goals as always, try to keep these videos as short as possible. Tech videos are so boring that you can literally fall asleep. Okay, so is it gonna boot up? We will see. That's a good sign. It's a bit of a shine there. There we go. So this is the Thinclient version of HP's Thin Pro operating system. It won't find a network because obviously I don't have it plugged into anything, so I'll just hit skip. But here you can see, for my situation, I'm going to be creating an RDP connection, and I'll be putting in the username information, domain, all that good stuff, and then it can connect to what it needs to connect to and get stuff done. So that's the newest version that I put on there, 5.20, which the original version I think was 5. If you look here, why won't this focus? There we go. I think the original version was 5. Oh, gotta plug that in. So 5.0 was the original version, and then if you have the licenses for that Thinclient version of Windows 7, I think it's called West 7 right there. So this HP Thin update tool is quite handy, and it works like a charm, so I definitely recommend it. And yeah, that's it for a tech video here. Pretty boring, but it might help out some guys that are doing some searching on Google and they're looking for some insight on how to rebuild these Thinclient units. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and try to get some more of those snowmobile videos out, and I wish I could make them more exciting, but it is what it is. So hopefully this helps somebody out, and we will see you on the next video. Thanks, guys.